Hey, this will be a video chart on KATX. I want to get this updated. It's been a few days since I've done it. I think the last time I did it was right here. And then you can see what happened when our previous high resistance right here, which I'd made thicker, meaning that it would be hard to get through, but if the price did get through it, you could expect a nice little price move. And then you can see the next day it gapped above it, came down and tested it. You can see the high here was 0.042 and the low that it went was 0.042, so a great example of the power of charts. I can guarantee that their chart is sitting here, and when it dropped down right there, they got filled and then had a nice move the rest of the day. And then this week so far, we've just had some consolidation days. I know there's probably some people freaking out. Well, I don't probably know. I know for sure because I've gotten some messages and so forth from people kind of getting edgy. And let me just stop and say nothing to be edgy about at all. This is simply what the market is about. These 2 days right here represent profit taking. They're representing people that probably got in down in this range here and are now deciding to finally lock in some profits. I mean, that's over 100% gain. You can't blame them. But the good news about these past 2 days is it's been sideways. It hasn't even been a pullback really. It's just been simply going sideways. And then you look at the volume. Volume has been decreasing, so that's the kind of action that you want to see during days like this. So with that, I just want to get the chart updated and kind of talk about a few things. The first update is just simply this resistance needs to be changed to support since it's been broken, and I'm also going to change the thickness of it just because it's not a crucial support level. Would it be a nice support level to hold? Yes, it would, but does it need to hold? Nah, I mean, if it does fall, you still have this support right here, and you have this one down here. I'm going to leave this level as a must hold because it is still underneath the 50-day or still above the 50-day, but ideally what you would like to see happen is for this range to hold up strong and then to see the breakout. But even if it did fall down here and do consolidate and move up, that would still look nice. And although not preferable, it could still drop all the way down here, do some consolidating before moving up. But you really do, once again, want to see this level hold. If that can't, then it's one of those things where something's just not right, and you want to be a little bit more careful. Now I'm going to extend this out a little bit so we can see kind of where, get this out of here, but where this resistance level came from. I don't know if you could see that when I was zoomed in, but we had this level here that we were taking. This level is at 0.065, and then the highest we've gone so far is 0.063. So pretty close to where we were forecasting this resistance level, and that's where the price is kind of pulled back from. But if we all of a sudden get maybe a few more days of consolidation and a break upwards and can break through this since we're not too far off, I just wanted to point out that things really get thin, and then the next resistance level is not up until this level right over here, which is I think at 10 cents, but let me double check. We have a low over here of 0.099, so yeah, for argument's sake, we'll just call it 10 cents. I'm going to make that one extra thick because I think that'll be a pretty tough level, but nonetheless, with a break of 6, or this level here, very nice gap in resistance levels percentage-wise. So, obviously one step at a time. I'm not trying to get too far ahead of ourselves, but, with a break here, there's going to be a lot of territory here where the price could, make another quick run. Will it? I don't know, but, from a charting perspective, the potential is there. So that's currently where we stand. I just wanted to get that support level updated. Once again, for the people freaking out, absolutely nothing wrong or nothing bad about days like this, especially when you have volume decreasing. Now, if we had huge red volume bars on these days, that would be a different story, but that's not the case. So right now it's just simply consolidating, simply people taking profits, and as long as these support levels hold, then you should have no worries and you shouldn't be freaking out. I understand if you're a day trader and you're bought up there, maybe you're a little nervous, but you should probably already be out if you're a day trader. But besides that, from a charting perspective, things are acting fine, and with the way volumes dropped off and support levels are holding, things are acting appropriately and like you would want to see them. So if there are any other questions on the chart, please let me know. I'd also encourage you to check out bullwarriorstocks.com. If you go there and sign up for the free newsletter, you'll be sent a free ebook, and with your newsletter subscription, you'll get chart setups, trade ideas, educational pieces, all sorts of things from penny stocks up to big board. So a good variety, something for everybody. Best part is it's all free. We've been making some good money together, so it's worth at least signing up and giving it a try. One more time, this was KATX. Thanks for listening.